Have a good day. Welcome to the MCQ program. So, now we are going to start the discussion for the first 10 MCQs. So, Lamai, as discussed and as informed in the classes, so before watching this video, make sure you should do the MCQs uh, earlier, right? So without doing those MCQs, don't watch the video. After only doing those MCQs, you have to mark which are correct and which are incorrect. හරි වීඩියෝ එක බලලා විතරක් නිකන් ඉන්න එපා. කලින් MCQs ටික කරලා ඉවර වෙලා විතරක් වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න. මොකද මේක ඒ තරම් important ඔයාගේ MCQs marks improve කරගන්න. Right, at the end of this program you will be able to do we will be able to discuss at about 1500 MCQs. Without the MCQs in the paper class and everything, we will be able to achieve 1500 target. Right, that's a very huge target, and you can improve your MCQ knowledge, you can improve your MCQ tricks by using this program. So 100% be honest and follow up the guidelines which I have given to you. Right, okay. So let's move to the question number 1 without any discussion. Okay. Question number 1. So in the question number 1, Lamai, so you have given three sentences and you are asking which are correct. You have given 3 statements and you are asking which are correct. Number 1, a class C network can have 6 subnets of 32 hosts each. So class C network. For a class C network, how many hosts can be there and how many subnets can be there? So we have to check this. For a class C network, Lamai, for a class C network, the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. This is the subnet mask for a class C network. So this statement is saying that it can have 6 subnets of 32 hosts each. Right, we will check that if there are 6 subnets, right? If there are 6 subnets, 2 to the power x should equals to 6. So x should equals to 3. X is equals to 3. So if x is equals to 3, your new subnet mask should equals to 255.255.255.3 host bit should come to the network side. Then your new subnet mask is 224. This is your new subnet mask. So in this new subnet mask, there are 5 host bits. 5 host bits because 3 host bits came to the network side. So if there are 5 host bits, so you can have the number of hosts 2 to the power y minus 2, 2 to the power 5 minus 2, answer should equals to 30. There are 30 hosts which if you need to create a subnet, right? If you need to create a network with 6 subnets, you can achieve maximum number of 30 hosts. So in this question, in these statements, they are saying that in a class C network can have 6 subnets of 32 hosts. Lamai, that is incorrect because in that there cannot be 32 hosts, only 30 hosts can be there. Right? 30 hosts can be there. Host la 30යි ඉන්න පුළුවන්. 32ක් ඉන්න බෑ හේතුව මේ සබ්නෙට් මාස්ක් එක දිහා බලපුවාම ඔයාට පේනවා මේ සබ්නෙට් මාස්ක් එකේ network පැත්තේ තියෙන bit දෙකයි right network පැත්තේ තියෙන bit දෙකයි sorry bit තුනක් network පැත්තට ගත්තාම ඉතුරු bit පහ තමයි host පැත්තට යන්නේ එතකොට host පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ 2 to the power y minus 2 2 to the power 5 minus 2 30 කියලා එන්නේ එතකොට subnets 6ක් තියෙනවා නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් උපරිම maximum තියෙන්න පුළුවන් class C network එකක host ලා 30යි then the first statement is incorrect. Statement B. The host address part of an address block can be further subdivided into subnetworks and a host part. Yes, Lamai. That can be correct because in a subnet mask, so there is a host part, so you can divide that host part again. Right? ඔයා host part එක ඔයාලට තවදුරටත් subnetworks වලට divide කරන්න පුළුවන්. That is correct. අපි දැන් subnetting වෙලා තියෙන එකක් නැවත subnetting කරනවා කියන්නේ අර තියෙන subnet එකේ මැද තියෙන hostලා නැවතත් subnet වලට divide කරන එකනේ. So that is correct. So B statement is correct. Then the C statement 255.255.255.3 is a valid subnet mask. Lamai, there cannot be this kind of subnet mask. Right? There cannot be this kind of subnet mask. Therefore, C is incorrect. Only the B statement is correct. Therefore, answer should be second one. Answer should be the second one. Answer 2. B only. B only. Right. Question number 2. Given the address 192.168.10.19/28, 192.168.10.19/28, which of the following are valid host addresses on this subnet? Right. So first of all, you should make sure that this has been subnetted or not. Right. Let's check. So this is a class C IP address. So here you have given 28. It means the subnet mask given in the question is, right? Given in the question is 28 means there are 28 network bits. So it means your subnet mask is 255.255.255.240. This is the subnet mask given in the question because here there is 28. 28 means there are 28 network bits in the subnet mask. So your subnet mask given in the question is this one. මෙතන /28 තියනවා කියලා කියන්නේ ඔයාගේ subnet mask එක වෙන්න ඕනේ. Definitely මේක because මේක ඔයා binary කරලා බැලුවොත් ඔයාට පේනවා මේකේ network පැත්තේ bit 28ක් තියෙනවා. Right? එතකොට මේක තමයි ගානේ දීලා තියෙන subnet mask එක. The IP address given to you is a class C IP address. For a class C IP address, the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. The default subnet mask is this one. So the default subnet mask and the given subnet mask are different. It means this has been subnetted. Make a subnetting වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. So then what we should do, we have to find the subnet, right? We have to find the subnets. So what can we do? Right. We can find the subnets. Okay. So first of all, we should find how many subnets are there. So when we compare these two subnet masks, you can see that there are 4 bits, right? There are 4 host bits came to the network side in the new subnet mask. අපි default එකයි අලුත් එකයි compare කරද්දී අපිට පේනවා මේකේ host පැත්තේ තිබ්බ 4 දෙනෙක් network පැත්තට ඇවිල්ලා. It means you can find the number of subnets created 2 to the power x is equals to 2 to the power 4 is equals to 16. 16 subnets are there. Always the first subnet is the subnet which has 0 in its host part. So here the network part, right? In the subnet mask, here the network part, here the host part. It means the network part of the IP address is this, host part is this. Therefore, always our first network is 192.168.10.0. Then to find the second network, what you should do, you have to find the block size. Block size, you can find 256 minus 240, 16. This is the block size. So you can add block size 192.168.10.16, 192.168.10.32, 192.168.10.48. Likewise, you can write all the subnet. There are 16 subnets and you can write all those subnets. So now we do not need to write all those subnets. Now you can check whether to which subnet is this, right? To which subnet is this IP address belongs, right? To which subnet? Dot 19 means ළමයි to this subnet, to the second subnet. 19 කියන්නේ මේ 16යි 32යි අතර තියෙන එක. It means the given IP address in the question is belongs to which subnet? To this second subnet. Second subnet. It means this is the subnet given to you. Now you have to check whether what are the IP addresses given in the question which belongs to this subnet. Number 1, 192.168.10.29. That is correct. Then the A is correct. A is correct. Then B, 192.168.10.16. 10.16 is also the address, but Lama, it is the network address. It is not the host address. It is the network address. It is not the host address. Therefore, B is incorrect because they are asking about host addresses. Right? They are asking about host addresses. Right. Then C, 192.168.10.17. 17 is correct. It is in this range. Therefore, C is correct. Then D, 192.168.10.31. 31 is the broadcasting address. It means it is not a host address. Therefore, that is incorrect. Right? That is incorrect. Therefore, your answer should be A and C only. Answer number 4. Right? Answer number 4. So, මේ වගේ question එකක් ඔයාට පැහැදිලිව හදලා මොනවද මේකේ host addresses කියලා හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Right. Question number 3. The IP network 192.168.50.0 is to be divided into 12 equal size subnets. Which of the following subnet masks correspond to these requirements? So you have given an IP address. So this IP address belongs to class C. So the default subnet mask for a class C IP address is 255.255.255.0. And you are asking to create 12 subnets, right? 12 subnet. It means 2 to the power x should equals to 12. X should equals to 4. X is equals to 4 means when you are doing the subnetting, what you should do, you should take 4 bits from the host part to the network part. It means this is your default subnet mask 255.255.255.0. From this host part, you have to take 4 host bits to the network side. Then your new subnet mask is 255.255.255.240. Answer should be the third one. Answer should be the third one. Question number 4. Find out the subnet mask of the IP address 125.54.2.100/20. /20 means lamai. There are 20 network bit. It means 20 network bit means 255.255.240.0. Answer should be the fourth one. These are very easy questions, right? Question number 5. The following are various IP addresses in binary. Select the class A address, right? Select the class A address. Okay. So when you are selecting the class A address, what you should know, right? You should know class A IP address range is the first octet should be in the range of 0 to 126, right? 126. So it's enough for you to check the first octet, right? You can, it is enough for you to check the first octet. ඔක්කොම ටික decimal වලට convert කරන්නේ නැහැ. අපි first octet එක විතරයි convert කරලා බලන්නේ. Right. So in the first question, first answer you have given 10111110. In the second answer you have given 11101111. In the third answer, you have given 1101111. Fourth answer 011010001. Fifth answer 1001111. So in the first answer, convert this into decimal 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Now there is an important thing. What is that? Right here, 1. Beginning bit of the octet is 1. It means there is 128. Lamai, if the beginning bit is, right, starting bit is 1, so definitely the value of that binary number should be greater than 128. අනිවාර්යෙන් මෙතන පටන් ගන්න එකෙන් නම් මෙතන වැලිව් එක 128යි. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක ඩෙසිමල් කරපුවාම ඔයාලට එන වැලිව් එක 128ට වඩා අනිවාර්යෙන් වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් මේ ආන්සර්ස් ඔයාලට කෙලින්ම අයින් කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. මේවා කෙලින්ම අයින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. මෙතන එකෙන් පටන් ගන්නවා කියන්නේ 126නේ අපේ රේන්ජ් එකේ වැඩිම අගය. එහෙනම් ඔයාලට කෙලින්ම ආන්සර් එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. This is the answer number 4. Right, very easy. So you have to use those kind of tricks when you are doing the MCQ questions. Okay. Then question number 6. What is the incorrect statement from the following about the IP address 10.16.3.65/23? The subnet address is 10.16.3.0, right? Before that, we have to do the calculation. Right. Let's do the calculation. 10.16.3.65/23. /23 means what is the subnet mask then? The subnet mask given in the question is 255.255.254.0. This is the subnet mask given in the question. And this is a class A IP address. Then the default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. The default subnet mask and the given subnet mask are different. It means this has been subnetted. Right, okay. Then what we should find? We should find how many subnets are there. How many subnets, Lamai? There are 15 bits came from the host part to the network part. It means number of subnets equals 2 to the power 15. So we cannot write all those subnets. Right? අපිට ඒ ඔක්කොම subnet ලියන්න බෑ. Then we should find what is the first subnet. First subnet is always the subnet which has 0 in its host part. Here the host part in the default subnet mask. Therefore the host part in the IP address is also this part. Therefore the first network is 10.0.0.0. Then you should find the block size to find the other subnets. Here the block size is, you can minus 254 from 256. Answer should be 2. Your subnet, your block size is 2. Then you have to add 2 to the third octet. It means 10.0.2.0. Likewise, it's increasing. Right. Then 10.0.4.0, 10.0.4.0, 6.0. Likewise, it's increasing. ඔහොම දිගටම වැඩි වෙනවා. එතකොට මෙතන බලන්න ළමයි 3.65 කියලා තියෙනවා. හරි. එහෙනම් 3.65 නම් මේක කොහොමද වැඩි වෙන්නේ කියලා මුලින්ම බලන්න. 10.0.6.0, 10.0.8.0 likewise දෙකෙන් දෙක වැඩි වෙවි යනවා. කොයි වෙලේ හරි ළමයි මෙන්න මේකේ වැලිව් එක මේ ඔක්ටට් එකේ වැලිව් එක ඉවර වෙච්ච ගමන් අපි මේ පැත්තේ ඔක්ටට් එකට පැනලා 10.1.0.0 then 10.1.2.0 ආයෙත් දෙක වැඩි වෙවි යනවා. ආයෙ ඒ ඔක්ටට් එක ඉවරුනහම ආයෙත් මේක වැඩි කරගන්නවා. likewise ඔහොම ගිහිල්ලා කොයි වෙලේ හරි මේ දෙවනි ඔක්ටට් එක 16 වෙන අවස්ථාවකුත් එනවා. 10.16 කියලා 16 වෙන අවස්ථාවකුත් එනවා. 16 අවස්ථාවේ 3 කියන එක එන්නේ ළමයි මෙන්න මේක 2.2 බිඳුව කියන අවස්ථාවේදී තමයි මෙන්න මේ කියන ඇඩ්‍රස් එක අයිති වෙන්නේ මේ network එකට. So this is very much important, and if you haven't practiced these things earlier, so you cannot get these answers. So when I'm doing the theory parts, I repeatedly said that you should practice these things, you should write the IP addresses, you should understand the pattern, how this is going, right? Then only you can understand what I'm saying. දැන් හරි ඔයාට හිතෙනවා නම් right මට class A බෑ කියලා what you should do? You should revise the recordings, right? You should watch the recordings again and understand the pattern of how these are going forward, right? Okay. So this is the network address. So what they are saying, the subnet address, it means the network address is 10.16.3.0. That is incorrect, Lama. It should 2.0. Second one, the subnet address is 10.17.3.0. That is incorrect. The lowest host address in the subnet is 10.16.2.1. That is correct, Lama. Here, 10.16.2.1 is the first host address. Therefore, answer 3 is correct. Then the last valid host is 10.16.3.255. That is also correct because the next next network address is 10.16.4.0. Then 4.0 නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් last host address එක වෙන්න ඕනේ. Sorry, broadcasting address එක වෙන්න ඕනේ 3.255. එහෙනම් last host එක වෙන්න ඕනේ. Last valid host should be the 10.16.3.255. That is also correct. The broadcast address is the broadcast address of the subnet is 10.16.3.255. That is also correct. 3, 4, and 5 are correct. You are asking the incorrect. Incorrect answers are 1 and 2. 1 and 2 both answers are incorrect. The subnet address is 10.16.3.0 is incorrect. The subnet address is 10.17.3.0. That is also incorrect. Then for the question number 6, we can get the both answers 1 and 2. Okay. Then question number 2. දැන් මේක ළමයි class 8 ගානක්නේ. ටිකක් අමාරුයි. මේක ඔයාලට තේරුම් නැත්නම් ඔයා ආයෙ යන්න ඕනේ ආපස්සට ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න ඕනේ මට කොතනද බැරි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. මොකද ඔයා හරියට practice කරා නම් definitely you can understand this. අර මම කියපු methods වලට කරා නම් ලිව්වා නම් කොළවල ඔයාලට මේක අනිවාර්යෙන් තේරෙන්න ඕනේ. Right. Question number 7. Consider the IP address 192.248.87.3 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.224. How many hosts can be directly connected to this network? Very easy. Lamai, in the subnet mask given in the question, it has 5 host bit. It means 2 to the power 5 minus 2. 2 to the power 5 minus 2 is equals to 30. Answer should be 30. Answer number 3. Question number 8. Which of the following statements are correct about IP addresses and subnet mask? Okay. Number 1, 192.1248.32.3 is a class B. Incorrect. It's a class C IP address. A network with a subnet mask 255.255.255.248 can accommodate 6 hosts. 248 means lamai there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 248 in binary format. It means there are 3 host bit. 3 host bit means you can connect only 2 to the power y minus 2, 2 to the power 3 minus 2, 6. Only 6 hosts. Yeah, that is correct. 2 is correct. You are asking which of the statements are correct. Number 2 is correct. Then number 3, an IP address consists of 16 bits. That is incorrect. 10.32.1.5 is a class C. That is incorrect. Last one is also incorrect. Then the answer should be the second one for the question number 8. Which of the following is valid subnet mask? Lamai, first one is valid. Then second one is invalid. You know in subnet mask, 1 and 0 cannot be mixed. Right? 1 and 0 cannot be mixed in subnet mask. Therefore, the second one is incorrect. Third one is also incorrect, Lamai. Third one is also incorrect because in the third one also 1 and 0 is mixed. Therefore, third one is also incorrect. Then fourth one is also incorrect. Then fifth one is also incorrect. You are asking the valid one. Therefore, answer should be the first one for the question number 9. Question number 10, LAN users. So what you should remember in a subnet mask. So if you have given the subnet mask in the decimal format, so after converting that subnet mask into binary, in that binary format, 1 and 0 cannot be mixed. That is the rule in subnet masks. Right. Okay. Question number 10. A LAN uses the subnet mask 255.240.0. How many different IP addresses can be assigned to devices in that LAN? Okay. So you are asking the number of hosts addresses. So 240.0 means there are how many host bits? There are 12 host bits. There are 12 host bits. It means 2 to the power 12 minus 2. 2 to the power 12 minus 2 means 4094 is that. 2 to the power 10 is equals to 1024. Then 2 to the power 11 is equals to double of this 8, 4, 2048. Then 2 to the power 12 is equals to double of this 6, 9, 0, 4096. You should subtract 2 from this. Your answer should equals to 4094. Answer should be the fifth one for the question number 10. Right, those are the answers for the first 10 questions in our MCQ program. Right, now we have to mark how many MCQs are correct and how many MCQs are incorrect. Right, lamai දැන් ඔයාට මේක mark කරාම, so you should get an understanding of what I can understand or what I can do and what I cannot do. ඒක ඔයා තේරුම් ගන්න ඕන මට මොනවද මෙච්චර වෙලා තේරිලා තියෙන්නේ මොනවද නැත්තේ. දැන් sometimes ඔයාට class A ගන්න බැරි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරි class A ගන්න බැරි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. බැරි වුණාට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. දැන් හරි ඔයා ඒක improve කරගන්න ඕනේ. In the next time you should try to get 10 out of 10. Right, 10 out of 10. Daily for the daily MCQs, you should try to get 5 out of 5. Right, okay. That is all about for this video. So let's begin with the question number 11 in the next video. Right, thank you for watching.